Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new Excel file, make a new template, and also how to close a workbook. Let's get started. Firstly, I'll start with a blank workbook. When you create a blank workbook, you'll encounter the window screen with all available options. Another method is to access different templates by going to File, New, where numerous templates are accessible. For instance, I'll choose a basic template, such as monthly company budget. Once I click on monthly company budget, it will prompt me to download. After clicking create, the template will be downloaded. This template already contains built-in charts and data that can be utilized. For example, modifying a data entry. For instance, changing the supplies from 4,500 to 4,000 results in changes in the associated graph. Similarly, altering it to 5,000 reflects changes in the graph. Hence, this template offers dynamic functionality. Moving on, let's discuss how to close an Excel file. It's straightforward. You can simply click on the Close button, which will prompt an option whether to save or not. For now, I won't save this file. Alternatively, the second method involves going to File and selecting Close to exit the workbook. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.